scouting is not being properly done. Othino okadewere vona lava hi va va swifisayo because I would have combination. These guys just come through because of their big names, but Bona, I feel they don't Lokuza have a sense of pride in us as a nation.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
I get it.
if you look at ama-international friendlies adedlalo De Bruyne labo bani banathi they actually play better for their nation than their clubs. Laba, they are not willing to sacrifice for the nation. So we suffer from a sense of a lack of patriotism.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Then
that's all right.
we are taking on South Africa on Tuesday. What do you think of our chances?
After having been beaten by Lesotho, I'm actually disappointed. Chances are low because South Africa is mostly made out of the first team in South Africa, mostly out of Mamelodi Sundowns, where we have combinations. This is why I was stressing even about combinations.